Right there.
That's his rock climbing room right there.
I don't do it every day. I did it maybe 5 times. I try to go around. I do the best I can. Number 2, I also, right now, I like to box also at night. So anywhere from 2 to 4 times a week I do that. And the thing that really boggles my mind is I'm 72 years old. Do you know what that means, everyone? I'm 72 years old. And at 72 years old, I'm on top of my game. You know what that means? Today, I'm on top of my game, which means that I work hard. I work anywhere 40, 60 hours a week. But I also do in the morning exercise. And today, what I did is I tried to do a plank, 5-minute plank. Do you know what it means? It's a 5-minute plank. First time in 72 years, I was able to hit 5 minutes. Last week was the first time in 72 years I was able to go up the steps 3 at a time. Do you know what that means? Top of the line, over the top, living a dream. Now, 2 people I met today, one lady, and I read on my Facebook blog about some ladies in pain. And I met this lady at a soccer match. She says, I'm in pain all the time. What should she do? She approached me and says, Arnold, what should I do? I'm in pain all the time. The lady in the Facebook said, 32 years old, and she's in pain all the time. 72 years old, no pain. 72 years old, I'm on top of my game, no pain. Thing is, what is pain? Ready? P, pay. A, attention. I, important. N, now. Pay attention, important now. What does that mean? So if you're, I guess lady, I'm not sure how old she was, but say for example 35. If she's in pain all the time, you know what it means to me? What is she eating? Actually, I met somebody at someone else today. It was coughing all the time. I mean, the basic assumption is the body makes mistakes. The body never makes mistakes. The basic assumption is that all 75 trillion cells, when each cell has 20,000 life units, have no idea what they're doing. They always know what they're doing. Always. And they never make a mistake. And the thing is, when you're in pain, it's not a bad thing. Pain is your friend. Pain is based on love. What does that mean? Say, for example, the person who's in her 30s, she's in pain all the time. First question comes to mind is, what is she eating? What is she eating? What is she eating to create the pain that helps her? Generally, for most people in pain, it's called uric acid. Uric acid is found in meat, chicken, fish, dairy, eggs. So I told a lady at a soccer match, what are you eating? Are you a vegan? She says, no. But I gave up meat. I said, did you give up chicken? She said, no. So I said, all chickens, please close your ears. She's still eating fish. So she's eating chicken and fish, and they all have uric acid. Uric acid, I told her, it's urine. You have, say, we'll call her Linda, and you have Linda in Linda's brain, right? And Linda doesn't mind eating chicken, doesn't mind eating fish, doesn't mind eating bread, doesn't mind eating butter. That's what they do. When you live in the suburbs, when you live in a city, this is what you do. When you go to a supermarket, this is what you do. You're going up and down the aisles, up and down the aisles. You see the cookies, you grab that. You see the waffles, you grab it. You see the burgers, you grab it. This is what you do. You go to restaurants, this is what you do. You eat all this food that the body does not want. That's pain. What does that mean? Every time you eat chicken, it has uric acid. Uric acid, it has urine. And we'll call it Linda, and you have Linda's brain. And Linda's brain says, Linda, what are you doing to me? I do not like urine. So the body gets all 75 trillion cells together and says, listen, attention, alert, military alert, Linda just ate urine, what should we do? They neutralize with calcium. find calcium in the blood, they can get it, or calcium from the bones. If you take it from the bones, it's called osteoporosis. The reason why it cannot get in the blood, this uric acid, because your blood has to be at 7.4 at all times. So people say, I take blood work. It doesn't matter. If you can talk, you're living, your blood is exactly where it should be, 7.4 at all times. And the body says, oh my gosh, this uric acid is destroying me. I got to neutralize with calcium. It comes calcium crystals. In Leonard's case, guess where it went? To the shoulder area. In someone else's case, it goes to your low back. Someone else's case, it goes to your knees. Someone else's goes to your feet. That's calcium crystals. What's the body going to do? What's the body going to do? It says, man, oh man, I can't have this calcium crystal in my body. Now, by the way, it can't go near the heart, otherwise it'll destroy your heart. So it goes to all these different places. The body says, what should I do? I'm going to send my fighters. You have the magocytes, the phagocytes, the whatever it is, all these fighters that we are designed in our system to destroy anything that will harm us, send to that area. Send it to, in our case, it sends to our shoulder. And the body says, oh my gosh, have all these fighters come that area. That area has to expand to welcome all the soldiers. Guess what's that called? Pay attention. Important. Now that's pain. And I told them that you become a vegan, in 1 month's time, your pain should go away. The lady on Facebook, I didn't write to her, who's always at pain at age 32. You hear that? You become a vegan, for the most part, that pain will go away. If the pain doesn't go away, you have to have more fruit and vegetables in your diet. That's just the key. At age 72, no pain. At age 72, I'm just beginning. At age 72, I'm still a lean, mean fighting machine. I'm not going to hit this. Anyway, this is live from my house talking about pain. Pay attention, important now. Bye.